Yeah, okay, so here's a variation. I'm hitting the wrong keys. Here's a variation. Yeah, the TV's on in the back. Okay, so starts off initially everything 0. If we select generate data, it'll regenerate the data. And let's say we don't like that data, we can regenerate again. And so now using these numbers, so 14.4, 18.3, 15.10, I can calculate the sum, the difference, the product. If I go back to the sum again, and we'll go back to the difference, if I want a new set of numbers, regenerate. And so now we can do the sum again. Oops, the sum again. The difference, the product. I can do another generate again. Do difference. And actually, if I redo the difference again, it still should be, let's see, generate data. Okay, fine. Let me get out. Oh, yeah, 0 out. Okay, fine.